Hi, I'm Abe Degnan from Degnan Design Builders, and I want to talk to you today about how we took a beautiful but ordinary mid-2000s ranch house and built on a contemporary theme to turn it into something better than it originally was. So one of the first things that sets the stage for a home like this is the impression that the front door makes. And you can see the brand new front door here. We've went with a very contemporary theme with the horizontal glass dividing up the door in 11 different sections, and then the tall side lights. Now, this door originally was an ordinary door, basically a solid door in the middle with a side light on each side and a piece of glass across the top, a transom window across the top. And that was great in the mid-2000s, but there's so much more that can be done today, and the homeowners are just wowed by this exquisite piece that was put in here. From inside the home, you can see the impression that this door makes, but really it's about the whole theme being put together. So the house had some other elements. There is some art glass that you can... So the impression that this door makes from the interior also then, it helps to tie the whole house together. There's some other elements in the house that are key features as well. There was some existing art glass in the house over here, and so playing off of that theme with the metal in it and the contemporary style, that led the homeowners to choose a new dining room light fixture. And when you tie together this amazing artistic light fixture with their choice of custom furniture and the Danish influenced, modern influence chairs, you can really see now how this entire motif is getting put together in the home. The next part of the home that we wanted to focus on was improving the lighting design here in the kitchen. Now the kitchen itself, this is original to the house, but the homeowner had very contemporary taste to start with, and you can see it is a beautiful kitchen. But the lighting just was not working for the homeowners. It hung down, it was colorful, and it was colorful in a way that was distracting from the view that there is out the back of the house. So as we worked together to find the right light fixtures, they wanted something that was going to be artistic and creative and contemporary, but that was not going to have color distracting from the view. And the perfect selection turned out to be these Edison bulbs with this very minimalistic design, the clear glass and the cluster, keeping everything together rather than being spread out. The next area of the home that we had to work on was the lower level. This is a merged family, a blended family with 3 teenage daughters. And this downstairs bathroom was not adequate for them. We have a special surprise that we'll show you in a minute. But continuing the contemporary theme right here, you can see the horizontal lines of the new vanity cabinet that was installed. Functionally, we went from a single bowl vanity into a double bowl vanity here, and we were able to do that with minimal changes to the rest of the room, and that helped keep this relatively affordable for them. They certainly didn't skimp on their countertop selection here with this beautiful Cambria quartz with the sparkles in it, and the detailed cabinetry with the cabinetry hanging above the floor, not touching the floor, and then even the horizontal detail of the pulls and getting them in the perfect position for everything that's happening here are all important details. The special thing about the horizontal lines of the cabinetry in here is that it's designed to look like it's all drawers. These horizontal lines continue all the way across. Now the hint that tells you what's going on here though is that you've got 3 drawer pulls on the center bank and only 1 over here. But take a look at this. Take a look at the craftsmanship that Auburn Ridge did with creating these 3 separate panels here with the dovetailing, not dovetailing, with the, oh no, we're going to have to edit this. Take a look at the detailing that they did to assemble the door and put this together with solid wood, making it follow this same illusion of the drawers right here. Now the big deal though is what's behind the barn door. Barn doors can either be rustic or they can be rather contemporary. You can see this huge 64-inch barn door here, and you can see we've definitely continued in the contemporary theme with our choice of hardware, the choice of the handle, and everything like that, having it just be, rather than a rustic barn door, a big smooth piece of artistic wood. But this is the solution to having 3 girls that need makeup space. Wow. This is what has been known since the beginning of our project as the Glam Room, or the Glamour Room. And so working with the homeowners, we went through multiple selections trying to find just the right mirror at the right price. These are fantastic. They are dimmable. They have an outlet built in. But each of the girls has their own spot here. The cabinetry is designed in such a way that they have all the storage that they need. We continued the theme from the bathroom across here with the glitzy, glittery Cambria quartz. And this is a rather expensive and extravagant and fully functional feature here, having outlets built into the cabinet. There is a special product that needs to be used in order to meet the electrical code. So while you may have seen do-it-yourself versions of this, unfortunately those are not safe and don't meet building code, but the special hardware that's installed hidden behind the drawer here is what allows this to actually work. Everything right down to the chandelier. We're thrilled, the girls love it, and the homeowners are satisfied. Thanks for watching another Degnan Design Builders video.